स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
हेलो गाइस, वेलकम टू मनवा। सो आज बात करते हैं टिसबैट, दैट इज टाटा इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ सोशल साइंसेस बैचलर्स एडमिशन टेस्ट। सो गाइस, हियर इज गुड न्यूज अबाउट द टिसबैट 2020. The authority released the exam date, which will be held on the 2nd of August. So only few days to go, guys. This is the only precious time you have to evaluate yourself. So guys, as the exam date is confirmed, मैं सिर्फ एक ही चीज बोलूंगा, must write the mock test. And I think if you will write the mock test before exam, it is likely to see you through in TIS campus. So guys, tighten your belt and start the preparation. If not started yet, you can join to full course. If you are lacking in any sections, you can join for the sectional courses. And most important is the mock test. It is the complete new pattern test. You must write mock test before the exam. So you can join for the mock test also. You can join for the ebooks also. So kindly visit the www.manoeedu.com/BBA entrance. This link I also mention in the description. So kindly check the description. To join these courses, you can call us on 8828581455. So guys, this is the paper pattern and exam details for the TISBAT 2020. So here the exam will start on 2nd of August to the 10th of August. So इस बार completely new pattern आया है, जहां आपको solve करने पड़ेंगे 40 questions within the time of 45 minutes only. So guys, it will be very tough. So generate the pressure handling ability. Here are the sections. There will be 3 sections in the exam. The first one is general awareness, through which 14 questions will come. In the second section, that is mathematics, the 14 question will come, and here you will get the logical reasoning and data interpretation also. And the next one is English, 12 questions from it, and here are all the topics. So guys, further details such as the mode of examination, the procedure and the requirements will be uploaded soon on the official website. So kindly check the official website regularly. So what will be the benefits by writing the mock test? So here you will be familiar with interface. It is a complete replica of the TISBAT. So guys, जितने mock test आप लिखते जाएंगे उतनी आइडियाज आपको मिलेगी और तब जाकर आप अपने आइडियाज को इम्प्लीमेंट कर सकते हो. So here the second point will be time pressure. Here you can judge your time pressure. That means how much time for each section. You can know about your strong and weak sections, and you can build up D-Day strategy. So guys, to get all these benefits, you must write mock test, जहाँ आपको आइडिया मिल सकती है एग्जाम कैसा होगा, टाइम प्रेशर कैसे हैंडल करें, आपके स्ट्रॉन्ग एंड वीक सेक्शंस कौन कौन से हैं, and what should be your D-Day strategy. So guys, it is our official portal manoeedu.com. Come to buy online section. Here you will get the BBA entrance. Here you will get the full course books, that is study materials, mock test and the sectional course. So on full course, here you will get the TISBAT 2020 mini course, in which you will get the videos, 5 mock tests and the PDF. So guys, here the mock test is very important. It is totally on new pattern based. And if you want a mock test only, then you can get here. It is the TISBAT new pattern, 5 full length test. It is completely new pattern, guys. So start writing the mock test. So guys, click the start preparation button and join the full courses if you not started yet, which is the TISBAT mini course, sectional courses if you are lacking in any section, and the mock test, very important, guys. Here you can get ebooks also. So guys, here remember those 4 points: familiar with the exam, the second time pressure handling, the third one is the strong and weak sections, and the fourth one to build up your D-Day strategy. So guys, join the new pattern mock test and evaluate yourself. So visit at www.manoeedu.com/BBA entrance, or you can call us on 8828581455. I mentioned the link in the description also. So kindly check the description, and if you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the comment section. Thank you very much, guys. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.